Welcome to our line, the large line. Christmas is a very special time in our family, and this year Christmas is not as special as before because we don't have everything handy and the space is super tight for us. Plus, my oven doesn't work. But I could not have Christmas past without making our special Christmas spread. This is an enriched bread dough that's super sweet with eggs and milk and sugar and butter and oil. And it's not easy to make, but I dare to make it again because we love it. I had to ask a neighbor to help me bake it at their house. And it came up so good that I had to bake it again at the other neighbor's house. The first time I made 5 loaves and I gave away 4. The second time I made 4 loaves and I gave away 2. Well, total of 9 loaves, I only kept 3 because we needed to feel the taste for longer than one day. The first loaf we kept, we ate it the night before and in the morning. Then it would not be enough for us to feel the taste of Christmas. I don't have to mention, but they all came very tasty. I'm glad that my neighbors let me bake my special bread, and hopefully next year I'll have it baked in our oven without even worried where I'm gonna make my bread. The filling inside is made with egg whites, sugar, a lot of chopped walnuts, cocoa powder, and raisins. Normally I'll use some other fillings, but that's what we had available in our region because we cannot find everything we used to have in the bigger city we previously lived on. I had to wing it, and I did good. Because I know I'm baking, I could not stop myself of making some buns too. And I baked those first. And we enjoyed them with tomato garlic spread I made and butter. I overdone myself. Everything was wonderful. Guess what?
No, it's just temporary. We have to figure out how much light we need.
Yes, we're debating if we need 12 lights in the kitchen or only 8. And I think we're good with 8. 4 here and 4 the other side, yes. I think should be plenty enough. 8 is okay, 12 is too much, I think.
Yeah, I think so.
And I like the color of the light. It's good. It's white. I like the white one.
So I temporarily placed the lights in the kitchen to see exactly how much light I'm gonna have from 8.
Ooh, wow.
How it is?
Light. I see the light.
No,
Perfect.
it is. I think it's perfect.
Yeah. Good job, baby. It's enough.
Okay.
8 lights are super enough. It's so much light in here.
Say what?
It's so much light in here.
Oh, yes.
I can see your face.
I just become an electrician. Yeah.
We had a nice Christmas Eve with baking and going to a little party in the neighborhood. Today it's Christmas and we love the fact that we are together in this new place. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time. Please share, subscribe, and see us next time. Merry Christmas.